So it's becoming springtime here in South Louisiana. What better way to enjoy this beautiful weather than taking a few photos? What's shaking? My name is Lakin. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're just going to be doing a little birding here in my front yard. I have my Canon R7 paired with the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens. Today I filled up my bird feeders, and hopefully we will see some sort of birds and I can get some good shots for y'all. So stay tuned, keep watching. There's a bird over here on this brush over here. I'm not very good with my birds yet. I think it might be a wren. So we just have some dead limbs kind of piled up from like storms and stuff like that we need to burn, but the birds seem to really like this, and that's where I saw that bird. So I have a little squirrel picnic table that I put corn on, and there's a squirrel on it right now, but from my position where I'm sitting, it's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna see if I can try to get it for y'all. He's doing some munching. Look at that guy. On his little picnic table. How cute. That was pretty cute. I see another squirrel coming. It's up there on that tree. So the lighting isn't very good right now. I might have to move spots. The sun's kind of behind them, so it's kind of making more of a silhouette of them. Little guys are fighting over some food. A little guy staring right at me. Or girl, whatever. Little critter, little squirrel. Keep seeing these little birds in that brush over there. It's kind of hard to get because all the limbs and sticks are in the way. It's kind of hard to focus on them, but I'm trying. He just flew away. Darn. Oh, there he is. I lost him again. Yeah, I'm trying to keep an eye on this tree over here and then on that brush over there as well. Which kind of makes it a little difficult. It's a beautiful day, by the way. Temperatures outside are like perfect. So I'm really enjoying this. Oh, also, if y'all want to see another video of this lens, I will leave a link down below in the description. I went to the zoo with it and got some really cool shots. If you're also interested in possibly getting this lens, I'll also leave a link in the description below as well. So a couple cars came by down the road and kind of scared all the animals away, but the squirrels are back. Of course they are, right? Pretty sure that was a crow in the distance. I don't know if you could hear that in the video. saw a woodpecker and I tried to get a shot of him. It was kind of far away, so I'm really hoping he comes back. There's been a lot of kind of traffic on the road today, so it keeps scaring all the birds and animals away. But I mean, that's kind of what to expect when you're in your front yard trying to do photography, I guess, you know. And by the way, I'm new to bird photography, so I don't know all the names of these birds yet. Usually after I like take some pictures of them, I'll go back and look them up, so that way I'll, you know, be more educated. So if you're watching this video, don't be too harsh on me, okay? I'm still new to bird photography, so thanks. Alright, so I haven't seen very many birds out in this area where my camera is kind of pointing at by my feeders. So I think I'm just gonna kind of walk around my yard, see if I can find some birds that way. Just do some handheld shooting. So we'll see how that goes, and you'll see some photos of them if I get anything, that's for sure. For sure. Alright. Enough of me talking. Let's go shoot some birds. Not literally. But yeah. Well, unfortunately, I didn't see any more birds to take some photos of. I kept hearing them, but you know, like I said, none I could actually take a good shot on. So I'm gonna call it a day. I did have a good time today, just sitting outdoors in my front yard. I hope y'all enjoyed it as well. I think I saw more squirrels than anything else, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes. I did take some awesome photos of some birds earlier in the week, and I'll show you all those. Thought they turned out pretty good. But other than that, I think this sums it up for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and consider subscribing, and remember, get out there and shoot your shot. See you on the next one.